Hi, I'm Melissa. This is the TFY Universal Headrest Mount with Angle Adjuster Holding Clamp, which can be used with 6 to 12.9 inch iPads and other tablets, with or without protective cases fitted. The mount is comprised of a durable, stain-resistant headrest strap, which wraps around seat headrests in cars, planes and trains, plus 2 metal holding clamps to suit a range of devices. The top holding clamp is hinged to allow fine-tuning of the holding angle after initial mounting of your device. The clamps allow full access to device buttons and ports whilst maintaining holding tension during travel. Once the headrest strap is fitted, it can be left permanently in place. Alternatively, it can be stowed between uses. The headrest mount is also transferable between vehicles. This TFY Universal Headrest Mount enables your child or an adult passenger to watch a movie, play a game, or otherwise use the device whilst travelling. The installation and operating instructions supplied are simple and easy to follow. Get yours now.